we're at one of our projects where this is a bathroom remodel. We're in the waterproofing stage of this project. After each phase of the project, it doesn't matter if it's waterproofing, electrical, plumbing, framing, we're present as a team, especially me being the owner of the company. It's very important that we evaluate each phase. Sometimes there are misses from our team, but that's why we're here, to make sure it's addressed correctly before we go on to the next phase. If you don't address it and when the next phase is about to start, then we lose time in the project. That's what happens to a lot of builders or contractors, because they don't go, oversee the phase that was just completed. Then when the next trade is about to start, they say, hey, we have all these problems, and then we have to work backwards. So it's extremely important for myself and my team to uphold the standards that we've built into the company, which is at every phase, we evaluate, we check everything and make sure we're ready for the next phase. So in this project, everything is going as planned, everything is smooth. We initially had the plumbing lines done first. We did a lot of rough plumbing underneath. Those are the work that clients don't see, and sometimes they wonder why it's taking so long. Well, it's under your house. There's minimal space to move, a lot of digging. We had to reroute the vent pipes. Vent pipes is where the sewage gases go through, and it actually controls the air pressure for the pipes as well, to make sure the sewage gases goes up to the roof. So all that work was done. We pulled a new toilet line. We had the water line, hot water and cold water line for the vanity over there. We converted this again from a tub to a stand-in shower. So again, new plumbing, sprayer for the stand-in shower. So a lot of work is going in here, and we're gonna tile the whole area up here. Everything is looking smooth. I'm extremely proud of my team. They truly understand the quality craftsmanship and the standard we have to provide our clients. And this is what actually gives us more jobs, So we as a company are really excited when we get referrals, because that is a true result of success. It's not something that we take lightly, and we actually appreciate our clients for that. So what we're trying to do as a company now in the marketing world is to bring everything to light, showcase work, because so many folks out there see construction and they think, a contractor can do everything, but that's not the case. Matter of fact, a lot of our clients call us from horror stories. There are contractors who leave a job because of overpayment, or there's a leak and they can't fix it. So when you look for a builder or a remodeler or however you want to phrase it, make sure you see some of their work. See if they have videos, see if they have references. Ask them if you can see a job site, if they have any projects going on. That's what we do a little bit different in our company. We have them, when I say them, our future prospective clients, come to some of our job sites, or we share videos and photos. In some cases, we have agreements in place that no media is allowed because of the status of the clients, or just their privacy preferences. But again, if we have projects, we always welcome our clients so they can see our work firsthand, so they feel comfortable before signing the contract and moving forward. Again, my name is Jojo with the SOJO team. If you want to know more, learn more, and see more, please follow our social media channels.